Hi guys. So someone went to an AA meeting, and while they were at the AA meeting, when it was their turn to speak, or maybe they interrupted the meeting, I don't know, and then the Holy Spirit came over them and they said something shocking. So yeah, they said something shocking. I think it was I'm not sure if it was might have been the first time going, or they just decided, you know what, I want to go to an AA meeting. Maybe the Holy Spirit inspired them to go to the AA meeting. So that's what happened. So they were basically telling people that they should worship God more. So anyway, let's do a little tarot. Sorry about the angle. I feel like this angle, I don't know. It's also like what's going on here? Something's wrong here. No, this was wrong. Just do it this way. We're gonna do reversals as well. So we're gonna be doing a 3-card spread for today, tomorrow, and the next day, okay? So I feel like a lot of people are maybe deciding to let go of toxic habits, or just change the habits a little bit, be more healthy. Think about like skincare, think about beauty, think about, I don't know, just like keeping up appearances or whatever. Okay, so let's do a quick shuffle. Let me do it like so, actually. Okay, just gonna do like a little spur. Let's see. Can you see? I think you can see that I'm spreading the cards. So I'm gonna find a card. This is going to be the first card. Just gonna put it. Okay, well, here's the first card. Okay, and then here's the second card, and then here's there's the third card. So today, tomorrow. And the bottom of the deck is going to be kind of like the overall situation, but we'll see later. Okay. Okay, so here are the cards. This was today. So I think today someone might give you something today, or is going to be make a change in your finances today. If you have a lot, like if you have like a lot of abundance, maybe someone is going to ask you for something. If you don't have much, if there's something you need, I think you're going to get what you need somehow. This can also signify a spiritual gift, so, or even a download or something, or an answer to a prayer or something like that. So here it was. So we have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So if you were like worried about going forward, this is for tomorrow. So tomorrow, because I think especially because of the Six of Pentacles upright, you'll be able to move forward with something tomorrow. Like you'll be able to, I don't know, like do something with the money, and you'll be doing something with your money tomorrow. Even if you're the one on the giving end, so you'll be doing something with the money tomorrow. Maybe you won't be as careful tomorrow with how you spend your money. And then you have this one. We have the Nine of Swords. A lot of people think the Nine of Swords is a bad card. Well, I don't know. But the Nine of Swords isn't really... It could be someone that's just woken up. So maybe it could be... So this is going to be... Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. So this third card is going to be Monday. So you're going to wake up on Monday and realize something. But it could also mean that, because the Nine of Swords is like you're in your bed, but the bed looks like it's made up. So it could be like, you just realize that you can rest easy. So if there was something bothering you on Monday, you're going to realize that you have, like here you have the nine swords. So you just need one more sword to get the 10 of swords, which is like to completely defeat the enemy. So I feel like you're going to realize that you have 9 out of 10 things, or so you're 90% where you need to be, you're 90% okay. So you, maybe you also realize the other 10% of your problem. So because you're holding your hand and you're like your face is in your hand, and you are blocking your own view. So you'll realize that the other 10% of the solution is also, or 10% of the other problem, like so the solution to the other problem, you have that solution, because that problem is actually a problem you're causing. I think you're gonna realize that you have so much power already. So whatever problem you have, maybe it's a problem at work, whatever, you're gonna find that the solution is like you have the solution, or you're the one that's overlooking something. So on Monday there's a problem at work that you're overlooking, okay? And Sunday, I don't know what you're going to be doing on Sunday. It might be reckless on Sunday, or Sunday you might decide just to start something. Maybe you're going to start this project, and then maybe by Monday you would have completed it 90%. So on Monday you're only going to have to do like 10% to complete the thing. So maybe today on Saturday with the Six of Pentacles, you're going to find someone's gonna give it to you, or whatever. It's gonna come to you basically, because it's going to fall on your lap. It could also be just an opportunity, and then this opportunity comes today, and then you decide to move forward to tomorrow, even though it's Sunday. Usually Sunday people don't really but anyway, because you're going to be doing it on Sunday, when you have like the whole day, you're going to have gotten a lot done by Monday, okay? So there could also be a money making opportunity that you're getting. So I feel like you're thinking, let me start now. Okay, let me clarify these cards for you guys. I'm going to start clarifying this Six of Pentacles, and then we do the others. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, the overall energy I did say was there's going to be like the main situation. So there's a transformation going on. Maybe something ended, so obviously you're gonna get something new. Okay, so a change. What else could this be? New life. So the death card, in voodoo culture, or whatever, the African religions, or even I think in European pagan, whatever, they believe the skull. But a lot of cultures believe the skull has the soul. So I feel like something spiritual, a spiritual experience. So maybe this first spiritual experience, or this change in your life, is bringing new opportunities that you're going to be working on. So I don't know, since this is going to be Sunday tomorrow with this Knight of Pentacles in reverse, you might decide you want to go and pursue something religious. Anyway, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles. Okay, we have the Sun and we have the Tower in reverse. Okay, so the Sun, I feel like you've found something. You're gonna find what you need today, and it's gonna help to rebuild a tower, or it's going to prevent something from collapsing, or whatever you discover. It can also mean that you're gonna be happy with what you're getting today with this Sun, and with the it's because we have major arcana here, so it's gonna be a major thing that you're getting. It could be a major thing that you're discovering that has value. It's going to be very valuable to you, and you're going to be working on rebuilding something major. Okay, so today, I'll just show you the cards. The Tower was in reversed. Okay, so let's clarify this Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, it could also be that maybe tomorrow you don't really do much, but you just realize you don't have to do much. You don't have financial problems. Things aren't so bad around you. So what's the Knight of Pentacles? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This was facing. Let's just redo it. If it wants to come out again, then it will come out. Okay. Okay, let's see. We've got the Seven of Cups. So okay, then we got the Ace of Pentacles. Nice. The Ace of all the aces is basically what you're getting. Like, it's like you're getting it by divine intervention. It's just here. It's basically, sorry. It's basically, and God said, let there be pentacles. It's like that kind of energy. It's something that's just, it could be something that it's just, you find it. It's not something you're working hard to get. It just comes easily. So, I feel like this with the Seven of Cups, maybe like your mind, maybe it's mental. You start to think, and you find the solution. You think and you find the solution. You think and you figure it out. So, but let me see. What's this? So maybe we can understand what's gonna happen tomorrow, and what you're gonna know, like what you're gonna have. So maybe you're gonna get this here is the 90% that's just already done for you. And then on Monday, you just have that 10% to do. But let's see. Okay, so we got Six of Cups here. Oh, this came out in reverse. I don't know. Okay, so I think I got it, because anyway, so it can go two ways, I guess. So the first way this is gonna go is you wake up. So you wake up on Monday. 90% of what you needed to do, or 90% of what you needed, you have it. Okay, you have it through divine intervention or whatever. And then I feel like you meet someone to collaborate with, or someone that maybe also gives you something. Someone also maybe gives you something, and or someone gets in contact with you, whatever, and then you realize you're not alone. I think so. You realize you're not alone. The other way this happens is tomorrow night. So either how you're gonna wake up, or so this is how you wake up. So now how are you going to go to bed on Monday? Okay. So someone's going to like make an offer. You're going to meet somebody. Probably it's going to be significant. Probably a new person. Or maybe an old friend. And then you realize that you're actually alone. I mean, no, because this is happy. So you realize that you're not happy. So I feel like you see someone for who they are, and then I feel like you're gonna realize that something was your fault, or I don't know. But either you're gonna meet someone and then you're gonna feel like you're not alone, or you're gonna meet someone and you're gonna feel like you're not happy. You're not happy with the person that you meet. So but I feel like either way, if you're not happy, it's 10%. Like you only have like you have 90% of the solution. You just, and the other 10% is just you. I feel like it's a decision you have to make. So you just have to make the final decision. If this person isn't making you happy, if they're causing problems for you, you can just destroy them, because you just need one more sword to get you the 10 of swords. So if you're not happy, and then if you find that you're not alone and someone's helping you, then I feel like that help is going to be they're going to help you with the rest of this, whatever, like to rebuild. So they're going to be the 10% of the solution, because you already have 90% of the solution, or you have 90% of the ideas, 90% of the plan already in your mind. So that's the reading for today. Okay, so I feel like a lot of stuff is gonna happen really fast between today and Monday evening. So yeah, so whatever the next what's it called, the next 72 hours. Anyway, you guys, thank you for listening to me. I hope things work out for you today, tomorrow, and Monday, and I'll see you again, I don't know when. Okay, ciao, bye bye.